This fourth slice of the pie in the second blog is called Ensuring Appropriate Space for the Learner's Voice. Listen to what your learners want and need. And this might seem an obvious one, that the importance of listening to our learners. The question is, do we do it? And this slice is just to help us in this regard. This also links, and it shows that these slices of the pie are not totally separate, and we need to go back to all the other slices that we looked at again that might support this. It might also be called in another way, which learner dependence and learner autonomy as well, and how do we promote learning in this way? Because, as we all know, we can teach as much as we want, but we can't learn for our learners, and so we need to do things that will support that. Couple of practical examples what this might mean. At the start of a lesson, in order to get into the lesson and engage with the lesson, actually getting our learners' feelings. We can't always assume that the learners are ready to start in the way that we'd like to as teachers. Might be what's happened in a previous lesson, what's going to happen in the next lesson. Is there going to be a test? Is there something that's happened that has upset some learners? Is there something that happened that's excited learners? If we can find out this may really help. And doing a little activity that's called and what state are you in for learning, which might put just a happy smiley on one side of the board and then a not so happy smiley, and where would the learners place themselves? If they place themselves in a happy state, then maybe we're ready to go and shoot with the lesson. But if not, maybe we have to do something else and get them into that state. But there's lots and lots of other ways. But it's really listening to our learner's voice is going to be a route into ensuring that, like with everything else, we can engage our learners in learning, make the learning meaningful, and in a way that is meaningful for the learners from their perspective.